Yo, what's going on, lads and lassies? Welcome back to Crypto Daily on this analysis video on Solana. So if we take a look at this Solana chart, Solana is currently testing resistance up at 196, and we also do have this trend line that we need to break through in order to remain bullish. If we are able to do that, then the next area of resistance is going to be 201 and then 206, and then we have this big one between 211 and 218. If Solana isn't able to break through this resistance and we do see a rejection from it, then the next area of support is going to be down at 187 and then 181, and then we have this big one down at 175 to 162. And this is very strong support, and if Solana was to come down to this area, I think this would be a very good buying opportunity as it's very likely to hold. If we take a look at the indicators, you can see that the RSI is starting to flip bullish on all the time frames. The SMA is starting to flip bullish on the 5 and 10 minute, but still bearish on the 20 and 50. And a lot of the other indicators are still flipping bearish. And if we take a look at the Lux Algo market sentiment, it is also still very bearish. So unless there's some very bullish cryptocurrency news that comes out, I think in the short term it is most likely that we will be seeing a rejection from this resistance zone, coming back down and testing these levels down at 187, 181, and potentially even down here at 175. If you're currently not in a trade, I do think these levels down at between 187 and 175 would be a pretty good place to buy in at. Or if Solana does continue to pump, you could wait for Solana to break through this resistance at 197, form a couple 4-hourly candles above it, forming a bull flag pattern. And in that case, then Solana will most likely pump towards the upside. But like I said, unless there's some bullish news that comes out or we see a big pump from Bitcoin, I do expect this resistance zone to push Solana back down to these levels. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.